Hi, I'm Peter Brett from TOOLKiT magazine, and today we're going to be looking at the Flex SE125 18 OEC, a brand new polisher sander really. And as you can see, it comes in this nicely organised L box. Brief look inside. Fat load of instructions, all in different languages of course. The tool itself, a battery pack, although you get two in this particular pack. You get a dust extraction outlet, get a spanner, and finally the charger, which is I like flex chargers because they keep you informed. They tell you literally how many minutes until each charge is over. So that's just quite a useful thing, to be honest. Simple adapter, because as you can imagine with polishing and so on, there's quite a lot of debris, so you need very good extraction, hence the extraction there, which is very direct. And then of course the brush, that stiff nylon sort of brush there, that forms a sort of a coat or like a hovercraft skirt that enables really good dust extraction to take place. Let's have a quick look at the front here. So what you have is really the extraction goes all the way to the front, or the skirt goes all the way to the front. But should you want to get into a corner or a straight edge, you simply lift that up and put that there, and what you've got is a straight edge that you can run up against the edge of the wall or whatever it is, or the skirting or whatever it is. And that is very straightforward, and it is literally as easy as that. Another little adjustment that you'll need to get to know is this one, and it's just on a little nylon lever. And what that does is it moves the shroud, the dust shroud, up and down a little bit. So you can adjust for your surface, your grinding surface or whatever, to be absolutely in the right spot for maximum effectiveness and maximum dust collection. Now, since this tool is largely aimed at stone polishers, metal polishers, and can be used for sanding wood, and with the right bonnet on there, you can use it for car polishing as well, for car detailing. So you'll notice that there is a space for an auxiliary handle. You've got one for the left and one for the right, and you'll notice that they have a little screw to cover the hole. It took me a little while to work out, of course, because I don't use these very often, is that you really need to keep those and replace them if you're not using the handle, because it saves an awful lot of dust from getting in to the machine. Talking about dust, of course this one has filters at the bottom of the handle, which prevents dust from running up into the motor. Quickly, I'll just put this on, and first thing you should see is that it's got a nice slidey switch. And there it goes, and then I can adjust it just like that. Nice shape, very easy to manage. It's I think Flex has cracked the ergonomics of angle polishers and things like that, because they are largely famous for their wall sanders and polishers and so on. They kind of know the game on that one. So I'm going to take this out and try it out. But first of all, maybe I should point out that one of the reasons why I might have been sent this particular machine to try out was the fact that it's got the all-important made in Germany. Yeah, there's not many power tools that can say they've been made in Germany these days. I think you'll notice that while you're working this, that it's got a very much more polishing rather than grinding sort of action. So actually what you're getting is a real bit of control when I'm just sort of sanding a surface. But you can imagine that if you were polishing stainless steel or something like that, you'd want that very smooth transition and level, so that it all stays beautifully even and consistent. And that's certainly, you get that feeling on that now. With the shroud carefully adjusted, that's what you get.